Welcome to JR Proto's factory in Dongguan. Established in 2006, ISO high-tech enterprise with Yiban Square. Provide rapid prototyping, CNC machining, vacuum casting, laser cutting, sheet metal bending, welding, grinding, and one-stop prototype surface finish. CNC workshop features 3 and 4 axes, supporting plastic and metal processing. Professional engineers and quality inspectors. SLM 3D printing supporting 13 materials, with over 60 SLS printer. FGF printing support 1-piece molding of army size. Over 300 slot printers, support 24-hour delivery. 10 material can choose. After meticulous polishing, surface painting and hand drawing can be carried out. Professional painting system and obtaining government environmental protection license certificate. Vacuum casting no need expensive mold costs, can deliver all days. JR Proto has completed over 100,000 projects. We are your trustworthy supplier.